Look at this golden aftex, crisp outside, soft and fluffy inside. Today I'll show you how to make them step by step. I'm not a professional cook, but I love sharing what my mother taught me. I remember as a child playing toko with my friends, pretending to cook in groups. These childhood memories are what inspires me even today, and that's why I enjoy making recipes like this. I'm using 4 cups of wheat flour. For flavor, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, quarter sugar, 2 cups of milk, zest lemon, then baking powder, cooking oil and prestige. I start by adding flour in my dish, then sugar, cinnamon and baking powder. I mix very well to combine. Then I add in 2 tablespoons of prestige or bourbon. Now I add the zest of 2 lemons. This gives the mandazi a fresh citrus aroma that balances the sweetness. Now I mix very well to combine. I pour in milk little by little. The dough for my aftex should be firm, not soft, so I add slowly until it comes out together. Once the dough forms, I remove it and place it on the surface. I knead it again, then I make a hole in the center and add 4 tablespoons of oil. I place it back in my dish and cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 5 minutes. In another pot, I heat some oil. After 5 minutes, I check on my dough and this is how it looks. I sprinkle flour on the floor. Next, I divide the dough into 2 balls. I roll one flat. I fold it 3 times. Then cut into small pieces. Folding creates layers and makes them puff nicely. After cutting, I press them aside. I roll another one flat and cut it into a square shape to form another shape.
I can do this. I can. Huh? Okay, 3, 2. I got it. And yeah, I can put Mama. Mama, you make it. So putting there.
I heat oil on low first. I add in pieces one by one. Starting with low heat allows them to cook inside without burning. Then I raise to medium heat to get golden crisps outside. And here they are, beautiful cakes and full of flavors, perfect for tea or snack.
So yummy, guys. Enjoy. It's yummy and very soft, puffy. You can enjoy my video.